Okay, I'm about to put this new windscreen on. Here is the stock. You can see how much bigger, if I line those holes up at all, you can see how much bigger this aftermarket one is, but it's not taller, and I'm kind of bummed about that. So I'm just going to hope, I guess, that it pushes the air in a different way, because it does have some different shape to it. So all I've basically done is taken out these 6 screws, and then I cleaned up in here, because how often are you going to have a chance to do that? Now I'm going to pop out this new windscreen and see if I can improve kind of the buffeting and the noise I get on my helmet. And there she is, mounted. Definitely covering a lot more space with the plastic holes gone. Like I say, I don't think it sticks up any higher. It looks great. Can't really tell much difference, except for that it's considerably, there we go, it's got considerable plastic compared to that one, the Honda stock one. And I thought this was probably worth noting, if that's accurate. Does show quite a difference in the amount of hit the wind is actually putting on the rider. So that's interesting.